scorching heat, summer, so it's perfect for diet. Let's start with the recipe Bandhgobi Matar. We don't need much more ingredients, very few ingredients. We can prepare this diet recipe. So welcome to Madhurima's kitchen, and you can get the full recipe in Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel. So we have cabbage, we have peas, and little bit of spices which you can always get at home. And there are people, they told me that my cooking, they love it, but they cannot cook it. So what you can do, you can always place order to Madhurima's kitchen. You can find me in Facebook, Google, Instagram, and the YouTube channel is there. So if you like the recipe, you can mention in my WhatsApp or inbox that you want this recipe, so I will prepare for you. And by the way, it is good to serve with rice. And I will prepare for you, and you can get in the next order.